In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform tagging after lot generation. First, click on the transaction menu. Under transaction, select tagging and then choose gold and silver covering. The shortcut key is F9. The cursor will focus on the lot number. To select the existing lot number, press the / key. The details will be displayed. Select the lot number. The lot supplier name will come automatically. You will also get the pure rate and tagging date. Press the enter key. On the right hand side, you will see the tagging options. The tag number will be generated automatically by the system. If you have the item's HUID number, you can enter it. Press enter and the item name will appear. We have already generated the lot number for Gents bracelet. Select Gents bracelet. Next is design selection. If you already have a design, you can select it. Otherwise, you can create a new design using the design creation option in the master. After selecting the design, select the section. If the section already exists, you can select it. Otherwise, you can create it in the master. I am selecting the fancy section. Next, select the size. Since we already have the size, I am selecting 12 inches. Next is division, which represents the purity of the item, 14 karat, 18 karat, or 22 karat. This is a single piece. Now enter the gross weight. If you have a weighing machine connected, the weight will be captured automatically. Since I don't have a weighing machine, I will enter it manually as 15.600 grams. There is no less weight, so the net weight and gross weight are the same. Now enter the purchase touch as 97%. The cost will be calculated automatically based on net weight, touch, and purity rate. Next is wastage at the selling point. I am entering 15% wastage. If required, you can also enter wastage in grams. Both options are available. Next is making charge. You can enter MC per gram or a total MC amount. I am entering 50 rupees per gram. If it is a stone item, you can add stone charges. Since this item does not have stones, I am leaving it blank. You can enter narration if you want to add extra details. When you press enter, a message asking whether to print the tag will appear. If you select yes, the tag will be printed. This is how we do tagging. For the next item, the HUID number will appear automatically at the cursor. Enter the HUID number for the second item. If the item details are the same, just change the gross weight to 17.5 grams and press enter. The net weight will remain the same. The second tag will be generated. Press escape and save both items. Now for assorted gold tagging, since we have purchased in bulk, I am tagging assorted gold with 4 pieces. The gross weight is 81 grams and the net weight is also 81 grams. Press enter. The value will be deducted from the lot. When the save confirmation appears, select yes to save.